A resolution congratulating Major General Stephen Parreño as the 39th Commanding General of the Philippine Air Force. Whereas Major General Stephen Palomado Parreño is a native of Passi City, Iloilo. He was a true-blooded Centralian and finished his kindergarten to high school from CPU. He excelled not only in academics but also in sports and was then the varsity of the CPU developed high school basketball team. Whereas after his accomplishments as a Centralian, Major General Parreño took his education to the next level by having graduated as the Salutatorian of the Sambisig, Class 1991 of the Philippine Military Academy. Whereas thereafter, Major General Parreño was directly involved in the Philippine Air Force air mobility efforts during the 2017 Marawi switch, where he was the flight commander of the C-130 flights to sustain the ongoing joint operations. Whereas prior to his appointment, Major General Parreño also served in various positions in the Philippine Air Force, such as Acting Vice Commander, Chief of Air Staff, Inspector General, Deputy Commander of the Air Logistics Command, Deputy Commander of the Air Mobility Command, and the Wing Commander of 220th Airlift Wing. Whereas Major General Parreño has been recently appointed as the new Commanding General of the Philippine Air Force at Villamor Air Base, Passi City, last December 2022. Whereas the achievements of Major General Parreño is worthy of emulation and will serve as an inspiration to all Ilonggos. Now therefore, with resolve, as it is hereby resolved to give recognition and commendation to Major General Stephen Palomado Parreño for his outstanding achievements that gave honor and pride to the whole province of Iloilo, subject to all laws and existing legal rules and regulations. Thank you, Madam Chair and Mr. Floor Leader. I would like to request board member also to co-sponsor and board map and
Ako co-sponsor.
and the Vice Governor and
There's-
board member Bebet Paes, if she wants.
Thank you. I so move.
So
Your
move
Honor.
second. Any second? Soliano, Mondehar, Diaz, Cahilig, Paes, Riquinto, Espinosa. And yes, motion is approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you,
Thank
First
you.
Floor Leader.